Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to Anne Fairbank. My name is Debbie and I want to show you, I'm very excited, I want to show you the first delivery of the Marc Cain Autumn Winter 2022. And forget the words autumn winter actually, because I know it's the first day of summer, so we're a bit previous, but actually, as I always say to customers, the first pieces that come in the collections in Marc Cain, Toronto for example, we've had a drop of that as well, are what they call transitional pieces, designed to go out straight away, and thank goodness we can, because I've got the gaps to do it, to sell straight away. And we have been selling it today. I've already had to change the size of this dress 2 or 3 times. And for people to wear straight away. So as the season goes on and the deliveries increase through the autumn, through the months, they become more autumnal, they become more darker in colour, more autumn colours and heavier fabrics. So bear with us, there are certain pieces here, obviously you put away in your cupboard for autumn, but other pieces that you can wear straight away, as I have got on this little top, and I'll tell you about that in a second. But if we, so this is sport as opposed to collection. And those of you who follow Marc Cain know the distinct difference between the two, although the two sort of overlap more and more and are becoming more intermingled, which is great for your wardrobe, because if you buy across the two collections, then you can mix and match pieces. So that works really well for us selling it, but for you buying it and in your wardrobe as well. So you can see a really strong animal print here, zebra print, featuring the black and the white. But within that, you've got a real accent colour of blue. They call it swimming pool blue, and it is a really deep Mediterranean sea blue. Beautiful colour, and it's the colour that draws people in straight away. And hence, I have sold quite a bit of this morning. So first of all, if we start with model 1, this is just a real signature little t-shirt, J50, their cotton t-shirt fabric in the Supool, soft on the neck. Really, you don't know you've got these on. They're so comfortable to wear. They're not hot. They're just a little funnel neck in the cotton. So signature print, obviously, in the zebra, but just with the highlights of the blue, if you can just catch up on the highlights in the blue, and a lovely little A-line shape, like a little skater dress, really. And that's coming in at 219. So fully washable, very wearable. You could wear that, not maybe today because it's a bit hot, but on a cooler summer day you could wear that with a bare leg and a sandal, or take it through into the autumn with a little leather biker jacket and your opaque tights and your little black ankle boots. It'll work right the way through, and that's what it's meant to do. Model number 2, full-blown lovely puffer jacket, like a little ski jacket that they're famous for. So this is all beautifully quilted. It's thinsulate. It is thinsulate, but it is 100% featherless. So there are no feathers in this. So it's all very eco-friendly, and they're all very keen to push these facts now, because they've got to be seen to be doing things sustainably. So this lovely colour with the silver lining, obviously, and like a silver lame lining in the hood, and all this lovely detail around the hood here, which would grab your head quite nicely in your hair and keep you really warm in the winter or the autumn. Showerproof, these things are showerproof. Anything with any stitching is not waterproof, because you've got to have sealed seams to be completely waterproof, but it is showerproof. Underneath her, beautiful, beautiful blue. And obviously the lovely bits, all the detail, you know, you've got this lovely big tag to hang it up with. So you've got your little sleeveless Supool again in the print, this lovely print which incorporates the blue. And then the little ski pant pull on with the sport waistband here, stitched down the front. So it's not just a legging, it's more like a sport trouser. Ever so comfortable, ever so easy to wear. Let me just run through some prices on that for you. Model 2. So the anorak, as I say, £369 for that. The little sleeveless top, the Supool, and I've sold 3 of those today. So don't delay if you want them, ring up quickly, 119. And the little pull-on lycra pant, which is polyamide, 14% elastin, so really stretchy, 189. So a little bit different here, but again, all part of this collection. The shacket, which you were aware of last autumn winter, is still very much in. So it's like it's not quite a shirt, it's not quite a jacket, a shacket. So this is unlined apart from the sleeve. I have put it on, the sleeves are lined, it feels really nice and easy to put on. 2 breast pockets, and it is 50% recycled wool and then further wool within that. So again, this wreath is part of their Rethink Together collection, which is all about sustainability. That is a really lovely piece. You could wear that as an autumn jacket over black jeans and a black polo neck. I mean, that would go over anything really. I have put it over this lovely fine gauge knit sweater, which sort of a Breton stripe, which we sell really well. We had that previously in the black and the camel colorway. If you remember, I had one from last autumn winter. So really nice weight. It is 5% cashmere, and let me just check, get this completely right. 47% virgin wool, 5% cashmere. So it's a nice weight to wear, 149 pounds. It's a fine gauge. Again, you could wear that on a summer evening when it's a bit chilly. It's not a winter weight jumper, and we sell that weight really well throughout the whole season. And on the bottom, I have put a jean. This is Additions, because we buy Additions, which is a bit like never out of stock for the season, so in theory reorderable throughout the season. Really nice stone coloured jean, tapers into the ankle, really nice with this stitching detail here, so it's nice and fine down into the ankle. Really stretchy, and with a high rise, so nice and deep into the waist, and I know a lot of you don't like them when they're too low cut, so really comfortable to wear. So those are 159. They're 92% cotton. They are 6% elasto multiester, which is this, I've talked about this before, and this is this cross yarns of polyester, which gives it extra stretch, and then 2% elastane. So really stretchy, nice and comfortable to wear. So that all works really well together. And then lovely short, a lot of this sort of little boxy look we had throughout the season in the spring as well. This is just a 50% cotton, little cotton sweater in the block colour stripe. So there's almost grey coming through here, and black and white, and this lovely swimming pool blue. And I've just put those with my signature because there's still a bottom to come. There is a black sort of pull-on jersey trouser with a cuff detail, so quite track panty looking. So I'm waiting for that, some shorter bottoms, and I've just used the oakwood leather putty colour here, which works really well at 219. Quite sporty looking. And again, the slash neck, so you can layer that over one of these suit pools as the season goes on and you want an underpinning. Model number 4, 5, even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is their signature knit as well. Knit jacket, hoodie. So you've got your hood in the jersey. And just look at the way this is fashioned. So the way the print goes into the black here gives it that V shape into the waist. So whether you have a waist or not, it'll give you a waist once you've zipped that up very nicely. These knitted garments are now manufactured in Bodelshausen, which is the headquarters of Marc Cain in Germany. So the quality is second to none. They're very quick to advertise that, and it means the quality is second to none. It's beautifully done. So you've got the black and white, you've got the blue sport. Any of the writing generally says sport, but it's very subtly done, so you have to really study it to read it. So if I peel her off, underneath we've got this lovely blue top. So not just a little t-shirt, you've got your long sleeve in the cotton fabric, and again inset here to give into the waist, and then this lovely front fabric is their silky, sort of crushed silky look. And just the little frill on the bottom gives it that lovely soft feminine detail, and a little bit longer at the back. I've seen that on a lady, we have sold a couple of these, and that sits really nicely, and is a really nice deep sky blue colour. And then again I have a black Additions jean. So again, in theory, they are reorderable throughout the season with this high percentage of elasto multiester. And there's a little feature at the bottom here. I've just sold a pair of these to a lady, so there is this little detail here which is quite apparent. Little cutout there, so that falls really nicely over the foot, and obviously into the autumn would go really nicely over a little ankle boot. Yeah. So those are essentially your main pieces that I like to pull together. Obviously my model's here, you can see her. She's wearing a more fitted dress because I've sold the 10 and the 12, so that's a bigger size. She's got the 8 on, you can see the shape of that, it is like a little skater dress. And then this model is wearing an Additions dress in a zebra. This is a zebra with Marc Cain that we just bought to boost the collection. So that's, in theory, reorderable throughout the sizes as well. The little top that I'm wearing is they're J50, they're plain cotton, soft, supple, little sleeve to the elbow. I think I'm 89, fully washable. Generally they're 94% cotton. This is 94% cotton, 6% elastane. So it's such a lovely blue. It suits every complexion. Just very quickly before you go, show you some little pieces in addition. The vest, the traditional vest in the colour. A little black cotton cardigan, very useful, like a little jacket with the little pockets. Little second skin with the print. Again, a really good price point at 119. These have been going up to 169, 179. So snap these up quickly while they're available because they will go. And then this lovely sort of Cupra fabric in a sort of a sweatshirt in the off-white, which I think is really lovely. That's right up my street with the knitted detail here on the cuff and across the shoulder. So just those other pieces as well. So that's the start. It is coming in now thick and fast. Do keep an eye on Instagram, fashion shows, etc., because we'll keep you updated with all of the incoming collections. And of course, the best way to see them and try them is to come in and see us. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.